Hello everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to find and recover deleted messages in Microsoft Teams so you can quickly restore important chats and avoid losing valuable information. Now let's get started. Method 1. Step 1. Open Microsoft Teams on your desktop or browser and sign in using your email and password because you need access to your account dashboard to manage chats and messages. Make sure you are logged into the correct work or school account where the message was originally deleted. Step 2. Go to the conversation where the message was deleted by scrolling through your recent chats on the left panel, or simply use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the specific person or channel. This step is important because the recovery option only appears inside the exact chat where the message was removed. Step 3. Open the chat and carefully look for the Undo Deletion banner that appears immediately after deleting a message, usually at the bottom of the chat window. This banner is temporary and only shows for a short time, so you need to pay close attention right after deletion. Step 4. Click the Undo option right away to restore the deleted message back into the conversation. Acting quickly is crucial here because once the banner disappears, Microsoft Teams does not provide a built-in way to recover that older deleted message. Method 2. Step 1. Open Microsoft Teams and sign into your account to ensure you have proper access and permissions to manage chat data. This is especially important for business or organizational accounts where data protection policies apply. Step 2. Set up regular backups using approved third-party backup solutions that follow your company's data policy, so your messages are stored securely for long-term safety. This method helps prevent permanent data loss and ensures you can recover important conversations even if they are accidentally deleted.